What is a quantum computer? Imagine you have a magical book that can open all its pages at once instead of flipping through them one by one. That would be super fast, right? Well, that's kind of how a quantum computer works. Unlike regular computers that do tasks step by step, quantum computers can work on many things at the same time, making them incredibly powerful. But what exactly is a quantum computer, and how does it work? Don't worry, we'll explain everything in a fun and easy way so you can impress your friends with your knowledge of the future of computing. Before we begin, make sure to smash that like button and hit the subscribe for more exciting content. 1. The difference between regular computers and quantum computers. Let's start with something you already know: regular computers. A regular computer, like the one you use for games, homework, or watching videos, is based on something called bits. A bit is the smallest piece of information in a computer, and it can either be a 0 or a 1. Just like a light switch that can be on or off, a bit can have only these two states. Quantum computers, however, use special bits called qubits. Say it like qubits. A qubit is not limited to just being a 0 or a 1. It can be both at the same time. This is called superposition, and it's one of the reasons quantum computers are so powerful. 2. What is superposition? Imagine you have a coin. When you flip it, it lands on either heads or tails. But what if the coin could be both heads and tails at the same time? That's what superposition is like for qubits. Instead of choosing between two possibilities, like 0 or 1, a qubit can be in multiple states at once. This means quantum computers can solve problems much faster than regular computers because they don't have to check each possibility one at a time. 3. What is entanglement? Now let's talk about another magical property of quantum computers: entanglement. Entanglement is when two qubits become linked, even if they are far apart. Imagine you and your best friend each have a magical pair of dice. No matter how far apart you are, when you roll your dice, you always get the same number. That's kind of how entanglement works. This special connection allows quantum computers to communicate and work together in a way that regular computers simply can't. 4. Why are quantum computers so powerful? Since quantum computers use superposition and entanglement, they can solve some problems much faster than regular computers. A regular computer would take thousands or even millions of years to solve certain problems, but a quantum computer could solve them in just a few minutes. For example, if a regular computer was trying to find the shortest route for a delivery truck with hundreds of stops, it would take a long time. A quantum computer, on the other hand, could find the best route almost instantly. 5. How do quantum computers help in real life? Quantum computers are not just cool science experiments. They can help solve real-world problems. Here are a few ways they could change the world. Medicine. They can help scientists discover new medicines and find cures for diseases much faster. Weather forecasting. They can predict storms and climate changes more accurately. Space exploration. NASA could use quantum computers to figure out the best ways to travel to far-off planets. Cybersecurity. They can help create unbreakable codes to keep information safe from hackers. 6. Why don't we all have quantum computers yet? Even though quantum computers sound amazing, they are still very new and difficult to build. First, they need to be kept at super cold temperatures, colder than outer space. This is because qubits are very sensitive and can easily be disturbed by heat or other factors. Second, quantum computers are still being developed, so they're not ready to replace regular computers just yet. Scientists are working hard to make them better and more useful. 7. Can quantum computers play video games? This is a fun question. Right now, quantum computers are not designed for playing video games like your PlayStation or gaming PC. However, in the future, quantum computers might help make video games even better. They could create super smart game characters or make graphics more realistic. So, while you won't be playing Minecraft on a quantum computer just yet, it could help make future games more exciting. 8. Who invented quantum computers? Quantum computers are based on the ideas of famous scientists like Albert Einstein and Richard Feynman. While Einstein didn't create quantum computers, he helped us understand quantum mechanics, the science behind them. Richard Feynman was one of the first people to suggest building a quantum computer. The first working quantum computers were built in the early 2000s, and companies like Google, IBM, and Microsoft are still working to make them better today. 9. Will quantum computers replace regular computers? No need to worry. Your laptop and tablet are not going anywhere. Quantum computers are great for solving certain problems very quickly, but they are not meant for everyday tasks like browsing the internet or writing emails. Instead, they will work alongside regular computers to solve really hard problems, like finding new planets or helping doctors treat diseases. 10. How can you learn more about quantum computers? If you think quantum computers are cool, and they are, you can start learning about them today. Read books about quantum physics. There are kid-friendly books that explain quantum mechanics in fun ways. Watch videos. There are great YouTube channels that explain quantum computers with fun animations. Try coding. Learning to code can help you understand how computers work. And one day, you might even help build a quantum computer yourself. Conclusion. Quantum computers are like magical supercomputers that can solve problems in ways we never imagined. While they are still new, they have the potential to change the world in incredible ways. So the next time someone asks you about quantum computers, you can tell them all about qubits, superposition, and entanglement. Who knows? Maybe one day, you'll be the scientist who helps build the world's most powerful quantum computer. The future is exciting, and quantum computers are a big part of it. Keep exploring, keep asking questions, and stay curious. If you find our videos helpful, don't forget to share, subscribe, and hit the like button to support our channel.